When something happens, homeowners look to you for help. So how do they find you? There are billions of Google searches every day, hundreds of companies vying for that one click. When was the last time you went to the second page on Google? Partner with a team of digital marketing experts who get what you do. With dynamic websites, localized SEO and paid advertising, and engaging social media, you fix it, we market it. But don't just take our word for it. Ask our clients.
My name is Warren Stroud. I'm the owner of Plumbing Outfitters, and I actually found LMH at a PHCC conference. Before we hired LMH, it was kind of like grasping for straws, just trying to think of anything and everything we could to bring in business. The biggest problem that LMH is resolving for us is helping us set ourselves apart and what we offer that's better and different than our competition. And since we have hired LMH, I feel a lot more comfortable knowing that there's going to be calls there for the guys to run.
LMH Agency. Get found, stand out, earn more. Ready to make waves?